Yo, so I'm gonna be tracking my small little journey here with TikTok, something else that I've been slowly trying to uncover. As you see here, I got 25 followers. Yeah, and I'm following 15. But anyway, I'm trying to hit 1,000 in a fairly short time because this is supposed to be a way in order to make more traffic over to your affiliate marketing offers and make more money and stuff. So right now I specialize in paid advertising with Facebook ads, Bing ads, solo ads, and all types of other things. And also a ton of free methods. But stay tuned to this video. I'm going to put you up on how I'm doing research and stuff, checking out other people's stuff, so that I can hit that 1,000 followers much more quicker. Not only get the 1,000 followers, but to translate that into traffic so that I can make more money online with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. So let's not waste any time. Let's just jump into it. I do not want to go this route. I tried to stay away from TikTok. Ugh. I'm still trying to stay away from TikTok. Why? Because I have so many other things. I don't need anything else to move my attention away. I do, like I told you, Facebook ads, Bing ads. I have a free 5-day affiliate marketing Bing ads and ClickBank products challenge going on where I show people how to get their first commissions with Bing ads and whatnot. And if you have not gotten any type of commission whatsoever with ClickBank before, now is the time. Go ahead and click the link under the video. But I just have way too much stuff. I got 2 blogs, 2 YouTube channels that I'm trying to hit. All of this with 6 figures a year so I can have my $1 million portfolio by the end of 2022. And then all of a sudden I want to add TikTok. Yeah, it's a bit much for me. But you know what? I've been studying this thing. I've been studying the trends. I'm actually a tad bit late to this trend, but you know, if I can go ahead and catch this wave before it's too late, I would love to do so. Now, I need to go ahead. My goal is just 1,000 followers in the beginning. Okay, I want all of my social media handles to have at least 5,000 followers, so that whenever I start approaching corporate sponsorships later on, that's something else that I do. I am a business consultant, so I do all types of things when it comes to making money online. But I mean, you're talking $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month with paid sponsorships if you're able to do this stuff. Now, on to why you're here. This is really a personal thing for me, so I'm just kind of making my strategy known here so that you guys can follow on my journey. So what I'm going to do, I already have a couple of videos here. I made a few. Some have 600 views, which is pretty cool. All right. After you create your videos, it seems like no matter how corny some of my stuff was, I got at least 150 views. Pretty good. The other thing is that I'm using my computer versus my phone. I can't upload any videos. Oh, I take that back. Can I upload? Wow, I can upload. Interesting. I don't think I was able to do that last time. TikTok is still a growing platform, by the way, fairly new. Nonetheless, I can't check out everything in my... Can I do that? Hey, I'm fairly new, guys. Come on. I don't think I can put my... Anyway. I need to put a link in the inside of... I'm fumbling all of my words tonight. I'm sorry. It's 10:49 p.m. Where I have helping you build the lifestyle you deserve. First of all, I need to make that more juicy. That is mad, straight, corny. I need to put some emojis and stuff in there. I think I have about 3 or 4 lines I could put information in there. And I need to tell a little bit about what I do. So I'm going to change that, and I need to add a link so that people can go from my TikTok over to my products. TikTok doesn't allow you to put a whole bunch of links and stuff like Facebook and other platforms. I think you can only have an Instagram and a website. I could be wrong about that, but I'm going to be double checking. And to take people from here over to my affiliate products, I'm going to be using something called Linktree. And Linktree, do I need to sign in, or is there... hold on one second while I log in. Alright, so I'm logged in, and I have a couple of links here to my YouTube channel, my affiliate marketing face group within, well, I said affiliate marketing face group, it's a Facebook group of mine that I have, and then also a link to one of my affiliate products that brings me about $600 to $700 every single time that I am able to get a sale from it. So they're going to go from my TikTok to here, and this accomplishes a few things for me. If you've been watching some of my other videos, one of my goals is to get 2 of my channels monetized before the end of the year. I'm on track so far, and so I want people to go from TikTok to my YouTube channel. I definitely want people in my Facebook group, but most importantly, I want to make more money as well. So how to build a profitable online business, 10K a month. They can click that and go over there. If I play my cards right, I will be able to get a ton of traffic and make money while doing it. And that's the whole goal. So in order to do that, I'm going to spy on a couple of people's pages that are in my niche or in my market, and I don't need to be super creative and create my own stuff. I can just go and see what's working for other people. So somebody who's doing this right now, this young lady's killing it right now. I don't have to do screenshots of money or anything like that. I can if I want to, but I don't need to. So I can just look at some of the other stuff. She has work from home. I see what they call a duet, when you can place your picture or your video and make a reaction next to another person, right? It's a whole bunch of cool stuff that I see from her page. I really see a lot of screenshots. I see some cool things that she can research off of YouTube, $30 per hour. Maybe I can find 5 different jobs that you can do on Google that make at least $30 per hour. Earn up to $180 per hour. Let me click this.
Let's earn up to $180 hourly typing. Go to textbroker.com, right?
Simple stuff, guys.
You will see here, like...
Alright, so that's one channel. I want to find at least 3. Some I've already scoped out. Now this young lady here is killing it on everything, right? She's killing it on YouTube. She's killing it on, look, she just repurposed this one. I kind of did something similar to this one. I got the idea from her originally anyway. But I said things that entrepreneurs go through. And it was a whole bunch of list of different things with the song. And she said, here are my 5 top tips. Let's see. Hey, hey. Easy. She got 2,000 views from that, which is pretty cool. She consistently gets 2,000 to 3,000 views, obviously. A very attractive girl. I'm not an attractive man, so I personally think that has something to do with it. You can argue with me on that. You can fight me on that. That's okay. I can have my own opinions on that. But she has a lot of cool and creative things. Maybe this might be a little bit too much for me to try and replicate and add my own twist to it. I also have a 2-year-old daughter and a wife, so I don't necessarily have the time that she has to make videos and stuff like this either. But it's another person, Affiliate Jen. She's in my space. And she doesn't do a whole bunch of dancing and everything. She just does these simple things, making screenshots with her phone, recording the screens and stuff on her computer. And she has simple texts over her videos. And this lady makes money. Now, I told you, under the description of my picture, I don't really have anything. This woman has 33,000 followers. That's amazing. Congratulations, Affiliate Jen. You're killing it. Now, if I click her link, she's asking for email and a name. We can go over to the next page, and she's promoting Legendary Marketer. She has a little bit about herself. This is her funnel, and it goes straight to the product. Easy, easy. And I believe this lady is making 6 figures from doing just something like this. Very simple. Okay? So you guys hopefully see what I'm doing. I just broke that down, and I'm going to try to replicate what's already working. I'm going to find everything that has like 1,000 views and up on these videos. Wow, she got 15,000 views. Why not go big? Why not replicate everything that's gone viral? 15,000 views, and see if I can replicate that same thing. Things that will keep you broke. That was too simple. And she got 11,000 views from that. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. So, that's the name of the game. Hopefully something will go viral. I have to be consistent in what I do. And so this is the beginning. Alright? This is the beginning of my journey. Follow along with me on this. I don't really have anything to teach besides what I just showed you with the research. I'm going to replicate some stuff. Hopefully, it's Thanksgiving weekend. Maybe I can pump out 3 videos before Thanksgiving. See how that goes. And be on a consistent grind of consistent progress of at least 3 videos. That's the goal per week. If I can do a video per day, that would be phenomenal. But I can already tell you, I have a hard time keeping up with social media, man. So this is going to be a task for me. Wish me luck. If you like this content or similar things, anything making money online, go ahead and subscribe to my video. Hit the bell icon afterwards so that you can be notified every time I update something. Check out those links under the video. I got a ton of free stuff for you. And of course, you know, holla at your boy, drop some comments down below. Talk with you later.